Hi, this is Rabia, and you are listening to the Ranga Rants. Welcome back to the podcast. How are we doing? How are we feeling? Spring is here, but also it's a little warm, but a little cold. And I can only speak for myself because I posted on my story that the weather is so good, and my very good friend from Karachi replied to me and saying that it's only for you. It's already summer in Karachi. So I hope it gets pleasant over there as well. Because this is unfair. It's February right now. It cannot be summer already. Hope we just go through an amazing weather in Ramzan. Hope we have an amazing weather in Ramzan. And hopefully our Eid will be in a pleasant weather as well. और उसके बाद फिर we'll brace ourselves for the garmi we're gonna face. But this weather is so nice. I feel so good. I really get excited for fall, and everyone know that I get excited for fall. And some people call me fall girl, and that is what I try to be. But in my heart, I'm a spring girl. I know I'm a spring girl. The thing that मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो इस चीज़ की है कि I am a spring girl is that कि my name literally means spring. So if my name means spring, so I feel like I just feel like more. I just feel like myself in spring. I am always so happy. Obviously the new year starts, I have so much motivation. It's strawberry season. Strawberry makes me really happy as well. So there's just a lot of things, or I think you can do so many outdoor activities in this season. I think it's the perfect season to get married as well. So जिन्हें शादियां करनी है, I think this is a really good season. You can go for picnics. You're just I'm fumbling already. It's not even been 2 minutes in the podcast and I'm already fumbling. It's just a very good weather and I feel amazing and great, which is why today's podcast is also gonna be really amazing and you'll feel good. Hopefully you'll feel good listening to it. I'm recording this in the morning. Good morning, everyone. I hope it's morning for every single person. Probably it's not, but I think the best time to listen to the podcast is in morning when you're traveling to your work or your college, or when you're working. I listen to it when I'm working. I have my peach tea. So our office have flavors of green tea, not flavors, they're just two, lemon and peach. And since I cannot drink coffee or tea because caffeine, just I don't know if it's caffeine, I don't know if it's the milk, I don't know what it is, but it just makes me very uneasy. So even though I sometimes just, even especially in winters, I sometimes really wanted to drink one, but it was I could not because it would just make me feel really, really, really sick. So the only thing left is green tea, which I have found myself really enjoying. पहले मैं जो हूँ वही पीती थी, that we would make in home, which would have ginger and cinnamon and all these things in it. In our office, obviously there's flavored tea bags, and I started drinking that. My favorite flavor obviously is peach. I have only tried peach and lemon, but I want to explore more flavors, and I know there's a whole thing with people who are for tea people, green tea people, not milk wali tea but this tea, and there's so many flavors and there's so much. So I really wanted to be that person, but my favorite is peach. And it's just so nice to be in the office early morning and have my peach tea, warm peach tea in my hands and listening to a podcast, or it's just really, really, really good. And I hope this, whenever you're listening, maybe in late night, maybe in evening, whenever and whatever you're doing, I hope it's an enjoyable experience for you, and I hope this makes you get done with your work faster, and I hope it makes your work enjoyable. But yeah, I am just you, I don't know if you can tell or not, I'm just really happy, and it's also weekend, so obviously we are happy and we are grateful for work. I realized how important it is to be to go to work and to have a little miserable 5 days, so that you can feel so happy on the weekend. So I'm just grateful and happy and overjoyed to talk to you guys. And I didn't realize how much recording podcast makes me happy only if I just get the time. Or weekdays में मुझे time नहीं मिलता. But anyways, here we are. I posted stories on Instagram as well. If you're listening to this and still are not following me on Instagram, please do. It's at the Brown Girl Rants, the same name of my podcast. And you know what? Yesterday I got to talk to Usman Khalid Butt. मैं OB बोलने लगी थी, लेकिन I was not everyone everyone know him as OB. So Usman Khalid is a Pakistani actor. He's amazing person, and his fans did this like space with him. Everyone got the opportunity to talk to him, asking questions, and I got that as well. I asked him questions. He's an amazing person, and I posted on my story, and I was like, oh my god, Rabia. And I was like, I know, but shout out to him and his fans. They were like incredible. It was an incredible opportunity. I wish I could tell him that please come to my podcast, but that could not happen, obviously. But I cannot ask him that. Maybe one day when I'll be famous enough, I'll have him on the podcast. But he is a very interesting person, or he's genuinely like मज़ा आता है उनकी बातें सुन के. लेकिन खैर, now I'm talking to you guys and our today's topic. So, this is a part 2 of my last week's episode, and if you haven't heard the last week's episode, listened, what I say heard, if you haven't listened to the last week's episode, then go check it out. If you don't want to, then it's fine. This is good on its own as well. Like, you don't have to listen to it in order to understand this. But let me give you a short summary. In the last podcast, it was some lost dreams, and in that I talked about there are a lot of things that I wanted to happen in life, but I don't see that happening, and it makes me sad. One of that is getting the opportunity to study abroad, meet a lot of new people, get in a new course, and just have all that exposure, but I don't see that happening, and it makes me really sad. I also want to travel a lot, but obviously living in this country and traveling abroad is a privilege and a luxury which a lot of people cannot afford, and it's just not that easy. So there's just like all these things that I ranted about, and I know a lot of people agreed with it and not agreed with it, related to it. And I also like posted this video on my Instagram where there's this song, Will I Believe This Is Killing Me? And I said, will I believe this is killing me? That there are so many lives that I'm not living, so many opportunities that I cannot have or I'm not getting. I do believe I have potential in me, but that potential is literally being wasted. And a lot of people related to that. But now I'm gonna like answer to those things, and and I hope why I'm laughing. And I hope by the end of this podcast you just feel like a happier person, like I am right now. Like that's my only goal. So this podcast topic is, I might change my topic later, probably I will, but the rough topic in my head is not every dream comes true, and that's okay. Now, obviously, we all grew up dreaming something, wanting to be something, imagining our life in some way, and it just does not happen. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि it's so important to also realize that there's a lot of things that have happened. And I remember when I was 14, 13, the only thing that I would want and see myself that time was to be financially independent, to earn. And I didn't realize that I am right now everything that I wanted to be. Not everything, but I have done a lot of those things that I wanted to do when I was 12, 13, 14. I could always see myself being like having an office job, having a job, earning myself, and just right now, obviously there's a lot of things that I cannot do, but there's a lot of things that I could do. If I want to go and eat a cake, I can eat a cake. वो अलग बात है कि मेरा last week चल रहा है और मेरी salary अगले हफ्ते आनी है, लेकिन वैसे normally, generally, most of the days I can go out and eat in the restaurants I want. I can go out with my friends. I can like do all of these things. Obviously we have to remain a little like strict with budget, especially now that I'm doing an office job. लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि I would wish, and I have said that to every single person, and I have a lot of friends who are in university and school, और मैं उनसे बात कर रही होती हूँ, and I always say कि I would wish financial independence for every single desi girl, brown girl, because it's so important, and especially someone who grew up in a middle class family, and there's a lot of things that you didn't get and you don't want to get because you don't want to put that burden on your parents. And I realized since the past 2-3 years, there's so much that I'm able to do. Matlab, okay, I got, even with my room, I got to get new furniture, and I got the furniture that I liked. I got the things that I wanted to be in my room. So even that, and then made so many plans with friends. I've been to so many amazing places. I got this phone where I'm recording my podcast from, and I could never imagine like asking my parents to give me an iPhone, but I saved money and got it for myself, and now I post videos and pictures in it on my Instagram story, and it just makes me so happy that I have a good quality camera. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can see that I really just love documenting things. I even started a YouTube channel. I'm too tired for that, but I still want to make like long form videos even of my day and post it on YouTube, but I don't have the time for that. I got this for myself and I really wanted it. So मुझे लगता है कि you have to like also realize that there's a lot of things that you are getting, that you got. Even like bachpan mein, I would always imagine being in university, and alhamdulillah I had the best university life, like literally. Obviously now I look at other universities and I wish I could have been in that university as well, but that should not make me sad because I had a really good university life. Obviously मुझे पता है कि हर किसी के लिए ये same नहीं होगा, लेकिन if you are in the same like position, if you're studying, just remember that there's so much in life, even with living in this country, and there's just like so much to life. I literally woke up and I saw this tweet where this girl is saying that my mom is oiling my hairs and my dad is grating carrot, and we are gonna make gajar ka halwa later on. My house smell is filled with garam masala, or it's just a good life. I don't it just like, she said that if that's not life, then what it is. And I grew up and I realized I really, really, really enjoy the simplicity in things. Having breakfast with my parents, talking to my parents every time I come back home and I talk to my parents, it just makes me so happy. Every time I go out with my dad, it just makes me so happy. Obviously, a part of me really wanted to be independent. I really wanted to have like my whole apartment or live in a dorm, and I could get my own groceries. I can go and do my own thing, and I could be independent, and I could like live in another city and ye wo. Lekin a part of me now that I've grown up, I feel so happy to go back home and to see my parents. Like, it's just an unmatchable feeling. Every time I go home, if the first thing I want to see is my mom, and then ask, where's my dad, where's my sister. I didn't realize, and I like being dependent, a little bit dependent on my father. I like the fact that if I don't have conveyance to go back home from my office, I can literally call my dad and ask, can you pick me up? Can you, like, I don't have a conveyance, I cannot go back home. I like sitting with him when we are going somewhere, and sitting with him in the passenger seat when he's driving the car, and I like having him like being a little bit dependent on him. We are going on bike, I love sitting behind him. Last week he was going for groceries and I asked him, can I come with you? And that made him so happy. He was like, yes, of course, like मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि मेरे साथ कोई आए. So I did not realize how these things, obviously living independent is important, and I am sort of living that life. I go to my office by myself, I come back by myself, obviously I cannot drive, like, and I know once I start doing it, I'll have like more things in my hand. I can go alone and get groceries. I can go alone. There's a lot of things that my parents are dependent on me. If they need medicine, obviously I can go and get the medicine. I it's nice to be dependent on my father, but I'm not dependent on my father. He can send me alone. He's very carefree about the fact ke, not carefree, लेकिन he doesn't like stress enough about the fact कि oh my god रवि अकेली आ रही है. He provided me such independence कि मैं when I was 14 years old, मैं तब से ही मैंने अकेले आना जाना शुरू कर दिया था, which I think is really important, and I think it's a huge thing for my parents to do for me, and I think they did me a favor. Obviously इस मुल्क के हालात बहुत ख़राब हैं और it's very scary, but at the same time I just realized कि I cannot just like sit here and be like dependent on him कि वो मुझे लेके आए और छोड़ के आए. And I would think that's not a huge deal, but when I think about my sister coming back home alone in rickshaw, it scares me, and she have never done that, and I don't think कि मैं कभी कर सकती हूँ, even though she's my sister, and मैं अपने माँ बाप की like बेटी, आपको अपने औलाद का ज़्यादा होता है obviously, लेकिन मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आपको उन्होंने मुझे इस एज में ये दिया. तो जहाँ पे मुझे इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए वहाँ पे मुझे मिल रही है. Sometimes I go back home from office and like I get groceries in the middle, like ande, bread, ये सब कुछ, and I'm like wow, this is so nice. Like वहाँ भी मैंने यही लाइफ गुजारनी थी. I just have my parents here, which is a good thing. Sometimes I'm too tired that I don't want to do anything. My mom is there to give me food. When I'm sick, she's there to tell me कि ये medicine खाओ, ये ना खाओ. I have someone to talk to. It's so like मुझे याद है कि I was like oh my god, I want to be independent, but my sir was like कि there'll be a time when you will like the little bit dependency depending, I don't know. So obviously I still feel that you should be independent and you start doing things on your own, researching things on your own, seek things on your own, but itna nahi chirte to have people around you that will like look out for you. Kyunki now I realize the importance of like having parents by my side, that there's just a lot of things that I do not have to worry about, and they'll do it for me, or it's so nice about it. Like I don't have to, obviously jab mera dil cha raha hai, I can make whatever I want, like food, lekin my mom would also do that, and it's so nice to like have her food. Like obviously it's the best feeling of this world. Like, do you know what I mean? Like I love having that little bit of dependency on them, and then to have on me कि मैं, और obviously they have done so much for me कि obviously इतना तो बंदा कर सकता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि जहाँ I am right amount of independent, कि जहाँ मुझे मतलब कि जहाँ पे मुझे इंडिपेंडेंस मिली हुई है वहाँ पे मुझे मिली हुई है. और once I just start driving, it will just like be more. So I can go out and do all the things that I wish I could have done alone. Yes, there are some restriction कि I cannot come back home 11 p.m. at night. There's a timing and I have to follow that. Sometimes like मैं इतना ज़्यादा हैंग आउट पे नहीं जा सकती like every single day, which is also fine and all for my own good, क्योंकि पैसे ही ज़ाया होते हैं. मतलब कि now I realize कि there's a lot of things that are for my own good. I don't even come back home late. I don't even want to like party all night. तो जो है जैसे जैसे I am maturing और I am aging, I am realizing बहुत सी चीज़ों में मेरा ही फ़ायदा है, and I have the independence to do so much that I wanted to do or I imagined myself doing in a separate apartment, or like living the life that you see on YouTube, or essentially the life that you see कि आपका कोई friend या आपका कोई जो मतलब कि जो भी abroad जाते हैं वो जैसी ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं. You're still living that life, लेकिन you have like your parents, and it's just like a very nice and fulfilling feeling. There is this song Home. I don't know the artist of it. Whenever I listen to that song, it just makes me so emotional. मैं जब ऑफिस से घर वापस आ रही हूँ, आई जस्ट इमेजिन that song, and it lines his mother, I'm coming home. It just makes me so emotional ke nothing is like your home, and having your mom at your home is such an amazing feeling and blessing, and obviously we should like rejoice that. Or matlab, I think even think from your parents perspective ke they are spending the whole day, और आप नहीं हो घर पे, बट एकदम से देर द चिल्ड्रन कम इन, लाइक मेरी बहन यूनिवर्सिटी से आती है, मैं ऑफिस से आती हूँ, एंड देयर इज लाइक द हाउस लाइक लाइट्स अप अगेन, शोर शराबा है, हलचल है, वो अपनी स्टोरी सुना रही है, मैं अपनी स्टोरी सुना रही हूँ. आई थिंक दे इन्जॉय दैट फ्रॉम देयर परस्पेक्टिव एज वेल, क्योंकि व्हेन आई वाज वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम तो आई वुड लिटरली वेट फॉर माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर टू कम होम एंड लाइक टेल मी हाउ देयर डे वॉज, और मतलब फिर से वो सब कुछ हो. एंड विद टाइम ये जब मैं ग्रेजुएट हुई थी, मुझे इसी चीज़ की तभी रियलाइजेशन हो गई थी कि यू कैन ऑल्सो, यू डोंट हैव टू हैव कजन्स कम ओवर या फ्रेंड्स कम ओवर टू एन्जॉय, यू कैन एन्जॉय विद योर फैमिली. आई वेंट to NCA with Ikra, and it was like and then my father joined us, and it was like the most fun day ever. और उसे 2 weeks या 1 week पहले all my friends went, the whole group. Lekin when I went alone with my sister and my father joined in, and we like walked through Mall Road, so I realized that I probably enjoyed more with my family. When my brother was here, we would go out and eat, and that was so enjoyable for me, and I miss that so much. So I think you can also, like with Ikra, I enjoy so much with her, and there's so much that I think I could experience with her. So we literally don't need another person. I don't need another person. Obviously having friends is amazing, and we enjoy so much with friends, like I cannot like depend all of my things on my friends when I have an amazing sister. There's so many things that I go and I wish I could take my mom to. Like the other day I went to like Polo Ground. There's like a lot of cafes with Polo Ground. It's such an amazing place. It's so nice. If you're in Lahore, if you plan visiting Lahore, do visit that, but in good weather, because this weather is like perfect to be here. So basically there was a polo match happening, and we were enjoying our lunch, and it was just so nice. I was like, I wish I could bring my mom here, like literally. So there's just so many places, like every single place that I feel like, oh my god, I want to bring my mom here. So enjoy, there's just so much you enjoy with your with your family, and even with your friends. You have your parents over here, you have your friends over here. So the thing that connects with that is कि obviously I wanted to live a life like that I imagined, or जैसे मतलब कि to live in abroad and have this like whole thing going on. But then I realized कि Rabia, can you really do I really think I can like live without my parents? And do I really want to? Yes, for like a passage of time I would love to experience that, but not for my whole life. For my whole life I want to be with my parents. I cannot fathom the thought of my parents living here and me living somewhere else, when I had like और मैं के जिद करके गई हूँ, या फिर मैं गई हूँ obviously. और वही बात है, it is different for every single person. My brother literally went last year, and my parents genuinely wanted him to go. और इसके साथ मैं ये भी बात करूँगी कि अगर आप मुसलमान हो या फिर नहीं, मुझे लगता है कि it's very general, लेकिन as a Muslim I would connect that with like my beliefs as a Muslim, कि आपका जहाँ पे रिस्क लिखा है आपको वो रिस्क मिल के रहेगा. मेरे भाई का रिस्क वहाँ लिखा था. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह I found a good job over here. मुझे पहले भी जॉब मिल गई थी. I know कि I would not like, I have like, ठीक है, मेरी जॉब के लोग are earning more in other countries, लेकिन हमारी परचेज वैल्यू भी तो यहाँ पे कम है ना. तो और for my brother it was very hard to find job in his field. My parents really wanted him to go. So it was just a different situation. मुझे पता है कि मैं इस मुल्क में obviously with the jobs and opportunities and with like more, and we obviously things would change, but I alhamdulillah found a job, which is very difficult to find in this country, and we have jobs in our field, we have remote jobs. और तो मुझे पता है कि I won't like मैं भूखी नहीं, कि I can survive in this country. Obviously it's not like the best paying job, but I कैन मतलब कि ये तो मेरी अपनी लग्जरीज है ना जो मैंने ऐड की हुई हैं, टू डाइन इन अ फैंसी रेस्टोरेंट, टू ईट दिस एंड टू ईट दैट, लेकिन आई नो कि आई कैन सर्वाइव इन दिस कंट्री. और मतलब it's kind of hard for me to like articulate that, but I hope you understand ke agar at that point if it's not happening for me and I'm not finding a job, then obviously I would want to like move and see other opportunities. But I realized that I shouldn't be that miserable kyunki I found a job in this country and I am working and I can even see growth potential being in this country, being in like this like field in this profession in other companies. तो मतलब ये हो ना कि आपको अपना फ्यूचर नज़र ही ना आ रहा हो, तो आपको पता है कि यार मेरा रिस्क नहीं यहाँ पे लिखा, मेरा रिस्क कहीं और लिखा है, लेकिन मुझे मेरे जो रिस्क में था वो मुझे मिल रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स इन फॉर द फ्यूचर एंड ऑब्वियसली थिंग्स कैन चेंज, बट राइट नाउ आई एम लाइक alhamdulillah earning and I see the growth in my field, in my profession, and I see कि okay अगर मैं ये भी achieve कर लूँ तो मेरी ये growth होगी, वो growth होगी, वो सब कुछ हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. तो it's not that dull, and obviously for some people it is, and for that they have to move. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत different चीज़ें हैं, लेकिन क्योंकि यहाँ पे I see growth and I have a job alhamdulillah, I say alhamdulillah so many times क्योंकि मैं इस चीज़ को लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहती और मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे बहुत बुरे हालात हैं अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के. तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि आई कैन नॉट जस्ट लाइक, मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती कि मैं ज़बरदस्ती जाऊँ क्योंकि आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू गो, एंड आई लाइक द आइडिया ऑफ लाइक माई पेरेंट्स बीइंग अलोन हियर एंड मी बीइंग अलोन देयर, इट्स जस्ट डजंट सिट वेल विद मी. Or if you're spending this much money on a student visa and going to another country, obviously जो भी यहाँ से जाते हैं they go to settle over there, especially if they belong from a middle class family, or like if they're not from an upper class family who can really afford abroad के trips वगैरह in a life like that. लेकिन तो mostly, and I cannot like settle in a country without my family and like stay there forever. I want to be with my family. So yes, the idea of like spending, like having an opportunity मुख्तसर time के लिए is nice, but you cannot have that क्योंकि you invest so much money and I don't even want to invest that much money and I'm मतलब in a student visa or something like that, because I cannot like settle somewhere without my parents. I cannot imagine that. I don't want to live a life like that. I want to live with them and I enjoy so much with them, and I see I want to like, a part of me dreamed of living that life, lekin other maybe 60%, maybe a 40% or 30% of me wanted to have that life, but the other 70% of me have always thought that I want to be with my parents and like I'm going to enjoy with them and I'm going to do so many things that I could not have done when I was dependent, like financially dependent on them. तो मुझे लगता है कि yes, it's different for different people, और हर किसी का अपने relationship अपने parents से भी different होता है, लेकिन the relationship I share with my parents, I cannot like I do not want to leave them like that in this country, and I know that once you grow up it's very hard for you to leave this country, and obviously things can change in the future obviously, lekin right now मुझे I don't want to force something on myself when things are going smooth for me right now in the place I was born in, right? You get it? Just because I have seen a couple of people just living that life, I cannot like force into living that life. Maybe I do that and it doesn't turn out good for me. ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. तो अगर मेरे लिए यहाँ पे चीज़ें स्मूथ चल रही हैं फ़िलहाल, ऑब्वियसली फ्यूचर का हमने नहीं देखा, तो आई थिंक आई शुड डू दैट. और रिस्क वाली चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई थिंक कि जब भी आप ऐसा सोचो तो ये याद रखो कि आपका जहाँ पे रिस्क है आपने वहाँ पे जाना है. अगर यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ here in the country you're born in, you should move and you should like आपको जान लगा देनी चाहिए, मतलब कि आप जैसे भी जा सको. But if things are working out and there's just a lot of things that are holding you back and you want to stay, you don't have the means to go, then don't like be miserable just thinking कि oh I wanted to go or I wanted to be there. तो फिर just like sometimes it's like a slow process, so you can like slowly work towards it, and then you can eventually live the life or the dream you wanted, but sometimes things are happening smoothly, things are happening fine. Especially जब हम अपने इर्द गिर्द देखते हैं, we see there's like a lot of people who are not getting the same opportunity, like the salary I'm earning मुझे लगता है कि कम है, लेकिन I have to realize कि people are earning very less in this country. हमारी country की gross domestic GDP, मुझे पी का नहीं पता है, इज इट प्रोडक्ट, एनीवेज, सो हमारे मुल्क की जो GDP और जो नेट इनकम है वो बहुत कम है, और पीपल आर नॉट लाइक, वो सही मतलब कि a lot of people don't find the jobs, a lot of people are finding jobs वो जिनमें वो उससे भी underpaid हो रहे हैं. तो मुझे लगता है कि जब आप अपने से ऊपर, और मैंने ये बात काफ़ी बार बोली है, जब आप अपने से ऊपर लोगों को देखोगे ना, आप मिजरेबल ही रहोगे. आप सोचोगे मेरे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, वो नहीं है. लुक एट द पीपल दैट आर beneath you and be grateful of all the things that you have and all the luxury you have, जो कि आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए नेसेसिटी है, लेकिन जो आपसे नीचे लोग हैं उनके पास वो सब चीज़ें नहीं हैं. उनके पास वो चीज़ें नहीं हैं, उनके लिए वो चीज़ एक लग्जरी है, और वो फैदम भी नहीं कर सकते ऐसी चीज़ ओन करना. तो हमें, मुझे लगता है कि हमें अपने आप को ये रिमाइंड बार बार कराना पड़ेगा कि हम इस मुल्क में रह के एक बहुत अच्छी ज़िंदगी गुजार रहे हैं, और बहुत से लोगों को वो ज़िंदगी नहीं मिल रही. तो मुझे बैठ के अनग्रेटफुल नहीं होना कि मुझे ये नहीं मिला, आई डोंट हैव दिस, आई डोंट हैव दैट, व्हेन आई हैव सो मेनी मोर थिंग्स दैट आई कांट इवन काउंट. और मुझे लगता है कि दैट्स लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग टू गेट यू आउट ऑफ लाइक अ मिजरी, लाइक व्हेन यू आर इन अ पोजिशन वेयर यूर लाइक कि I don't have this, I wanted to be that, मुझे ये करना था, मुझे like now when I like think about it, like me crying over the fact that I wanted to like have a trip to Scotland it sounds just very vague, क्योंकि there's a people who are dying out of hunger, right? I know कि थोड़ा सा serious हो गया, लेकिन it's just like very good reflection and a very good practice to do कि whenever you find yourself being a little like miserable over it, or being a little bit sad over it, that all the things that you could not have, remember the things that you have, and then remember the people who don't have these things. और आपको इतना मुश्किल नहीं है वो लोगों को याद करना, क्योंकि वो लोग आपके इर्द गिर्द हैं. The people who work at your house, the people who are like in your office working as a spot boy in the kitchen or in the washroom, तो उन सब लोगों के पास ये सब opportunities नहीं हैं, and they would do anything to live the life you're living. You need to realize that you're living the dream of someone, or even like having a job. Obviously we are like, oh my god, corporate life, corporate slavery, ये सब कुछ, लेकिन even having a job is an opportunity, and even having a job is a privilege, and we wanted to have a job, we are doing something, और जिसमें we are like getting paid for that. और आई थिंक कि इट्स जस्ट लाइक हम जब सब चीज़ों को उस परस्पेक्टिव से देखना शुरू हो जाएंगे ना, इवन लाइक आई सॉ दैट एंड आई थिंक आई शेयर्ड दिस बिफोर एज वेल, कि if you will start seeing things like not like oh I have to do it, and you will start seeing it like oh I got to do it, you will see things as an opportunity and a privilege, क्योंकि there's a lot of things जिसको हम बैठ के रो रहे हैं, even like having a corporate job, when it's just not it's not there for every single person. That opportunity is not there for every single person. They would do anything to have that opportunity. To see the people around you, आप मतलब you will get grounded so quickly, you will literally get humble, and then you will realize कि यार जिन चीज़ों पे मैं इतना ज़्यादा miserable हो रही हूँ, they are not even real things. Now here's the thing, and I love coming up with this idea क्योंकि it's true, and I really just like thinking about it, and that is that if you want to have any sort of, in any capacity, influence over people, if you want to be a part of change, then obviously you have to be in your country. Or this is what I realized, that I would not have the same influence I have in this country. It's not like I'm really famous, lekin I clearly want to like have like some, even with this podcast, I want people to connect to me, I want people to listen to me, I want to say something good that could make someone happy. And my podcast name is The Brown Girl Rants. Someone out there is connecting to my podcast because they are also living the exact same life I am living, and maybe there are some things that they relate to by listening to me. I could not have the same influence, and if I move to another country, to my people, क्योंकि दिस इज़ माई कंट्री और दिस इज़ माई कॉन्टिनेंट, साउथ एशिया बीइंग माई कॉन्टिनेंट, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक माई पीपल. वी शेयर द सेम skin color, we share the same society, and there's a lot of things we connect to. If I go there, I would not be, you could not connect to me, I would not have the same influence, which is why we see कि a lot of people who get famous come back to Pakistan, क्योंकि they realize कि जो वो करना चाहते हैं वो यहाँ पे उनको जो influence वो लोगों पे यहाँ पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं वो वहाँ पे बैठ के नहीं कर सकते. For example, Ghazi Taimoor, I hope you know him, he's an amazing person. So he was in London, but he came back to Pakistan when his content started picking up, or like the things he do a lot of like social things as well. और वो पाकिस्तान में लाहौर में हेरिटेज वॉक कराते हैं, अब आके उन्होंने कराना शुरू किया है. So when I started seeing कि okay, my people are getting interested in what I'm doing, he came back to Pakistan from UK. और obviously he might be living a good life, but he realized कि जो मैं करना चाहता हूँ वो, और क्योंकि he's a Pakistani, तो obviously you're gonna have the most influence in your country. This is my country, this is my people. मैं इनके लिए जिस तरह मैं इनके लिए प्रोटेस्ट कर सकती हूँ वो वहाँ कोई नॉर्थ अमेरिकन कंट्री में बैठ के करेगा भी तो वो उससे उस तरह रिलेट नहीं कर सकते. आई हैव मुझे लगता है मुझे ज़्यादा हक है अपने मुल्क की पॉलिटिक्स या फिर अपने मुल्क के इश्यूज़ के बारे में बोलने से देन समवन हु जस्ट कम्स टू पाकिस्तान once in 5 years and does not know how it is actually to live in that country. I am living in this country for like ever since I am born, so I just know my country better. I know the things that my country needs and the issues and everything, and I can speak about it and I can have influence on those people. जब मैं किसी और country चली जाऊंगी, I would be a nobody in that country. मेरी आवाज़ इतनी उस तरह पावरफुल नहीं होगी, और जो यहाँ पे लोग बैठे हैं वो उस तरह कनेक्ट भी नहीं कर पाएंगे मुझसे. And I clearly, obviously that could not be for every single person. For me it is. There's a lot of margin in my country or in South Indian country, even if you're Indian or in Bangladesh, where you can like influence people or you can like be a part of that change. And influence का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपके 1 million followers हो. You can do that even with having 1,000 people who follow you, like even 100 people, even 5 people who are listening to my podcast. अगर उनको मेरी podcast सुन के अच्छा लग रहा है, they're connecting to me and I want to grow more in it. तो and I clearly want that, and I can achieve that by being here. I want to be part of an organization where like my dream, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know it is very like close to me, the idea, the topic ke a lot of people are not getting, children are getting basic education, they are not getting opportunities, और मैं वो चीज़ें यहाँ बैठ के ही कर सकती हूँ. and I want to physically be there and I genuinely want to be a part of that change. I cannot do that if I move to another country where I would be no one and no one would be able to connect to me. लेकिन खैर there are so many examples. जैसे Ghazi Taimoor, he came back to Pakistan क्योंकि he realized कि he want to work for the people in this country. He's a Pakistani, he want to work for Pakistani countries. Here is where he can have the most impact. Or there is this another influencer, Ansar. He was I think born and raised in Canada. He came back to Pakistan क्योंकि he realized कि this is his country, this is what he want to do, or he wants to like be around his people. और ऐसे मतलब कि ऐसा है. और I have seen so many people, even like Shawir Jafri, he came back to Pakistan because he realized his content is watched by Pakistani people. He want to stay in Pakistan and make content here instead of living there, and just people just not being able to connect to him. और मुझे पता है कि इन लोगों के बहुत ज़्यादा followers हैं, और every single person might not have this like idea, but I was talking to my friend Mahnoor about this and she agreed with me क्योंकि I think obviously she also like have this same thing going on for her. तो मुझे I clearly want, even like not on a lot of people, but I want to have some impact. I want to do something for my people, and for that obviously it is nice to be in my country क्योंकि मैं इस मुल्क में बैठी हूँ, मुझे अपने मुल्क का पता है. I know there's just so much potential and there's so much I can do even with like social work. उसमें तो मतलब ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आपको opportunities चाहिए, just like you can just do so much, and that is what I can do by being here, and that is I cannot do by being there. जो आपका मुल्क है उसकी अलग बात है, और जब आप वहाँ पे रहते हो और उनके लिए वो चीज़ें करते हो तो वो बहुत डिफरेंट चीज़ है. I hope I articulated it well. Lekin this idea just came to my mind like a month ago, and it needs to be in my mind for a little bit more for me to find the proper words to explain it. But I hope you get the gist of it. I know it's not for every single person, and it's not just like for me being in Pakistan, it's for every South Asian girl that if you feel like a you want to have an impact and influence, like I want to have that. And it's not like मुझे वो influence चाहिए जहाँ पे just a lot of people are following me and I am just famous. I want to, like, even if it's like 20 people, I just want people to connect to me and I want to make someone's life better. And I really, like, with every single day my urge and my desire gets more stronger. I want to, like, especially with kids, or especially with kids who do not have the opportunity, the kids that go to government school, or unke paas obviously they cannot afford to go in private school. I really want ke they should have like grooming classes and they should be told about things so that they're motivated to complete their education. And when they are in like the world and they see so many people having superiority complex, so unko inferiority complex feel now. And I want to like make have that like influence on people, yeah, impact on people, ke someone could listen to me and feel better, or the things I have to say, or I could make someone's life better. And I want to, in the future, I want to be attached to an organization and do like physical work for people, and financially like support people, or that I can do while being in my country, because this is my country, this is my people. And every like हर किसी के लिए उनके अपने मुल्क से obviously वो हैं तो वो वहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा उनका impact हो सकता है. So I hope you get it. Lekin that is also one thing for me, which is like okay, the life I'm living, और मेरे जो ये ख्वाब हैं जो मैं achieve करना चाहती हूँ, if I want to be a part of a change, तो obviously मैं ये यहाँ बैठ के, obviously आप वहाँ बैठ के भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि मैं यहाँ बैठ के करी हूँ, पीपल वुड अप्रिशिएट एंड रिलेट टू इट मोर, क्योंकि आई लिव्ड माई लाइफ हियर, आई नो द पीपल एंड द वेज. समहाउ आई थिंक के आई डू फील के इफ़ यू आर इन अनदर कंट्री यू कैन नॉट लाइक कम एंड और नॉट कम और बस आप वहाँ बैठ के जो है वो क्रिटिसाइज़ करते रहे यहाँ के लोगों को. इट्स नॉट रियली नाइस. एंड आई थिंक के इस वजह से, या फिर पॉलिटिक्स को, क्योंकि एवरीवन कुड बी लाइक आप वहाँ बैठे हैं, यू डोंट नो व्हाट वी आर हियर गोइंग थ्रू, तो इट वुड बी वेरी अनरियलिस्टिक. लाइक आई माई सेल्फ डोंट समटाइम्स आई एम लाइक के ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानीज, मतलब आई हैव लाइक सम ओपिनियंस अबाउट ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानी, जस्ट लाइक criticizing, constantly criticizing पाकिस्तान, और पाकिस्तान आके भी constantly criticizing पाकिस्तान में ये नहीं है, पाकिस्तान में वो नहीं है. Like we are living in this, we know that you cannot come here and tell us these are the things that are not available in my country. I can say that because I am living in this country with my people and I am like having these things, but you cannot come from a privileged place and be here and like criticize people, like just make things better for other people. Don't like, so मुझे लगता है कि वो बहुत चीज़ें ना different obviously हो जाती हैं. I hope I said this like I articulated it well. But yeah, that's also a thing that I really want to do. और जो है मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे भी opportunities हैं, यहाँ पे भी जो है I laughed because I just remembered this one thing के like a few days ago my colleague who is not in Pakistan, she was like scrolling through my feed and she was like wow Rabia, ये पाकिस्तान में है, ये भी पाकिस्तान में है, ये तो मैं रोम गई थी तो वहाँ पे ऐसा था. and I was like ये सब चीज़ें पाकिस्तान में हैं. like तो मुझे लगता है कि romanticizing your life is also like a really good thing in order to enjoy the life you're in. And with romanticizing, you don't like, it's not like being a victim of consumerism, और आप वो चीज़ें ले लो और ये आपको लगे कि मेरे पास ये चीज़ें होंगी तो ही होगा. You can do that with what you have. For me, romanticizing my life is के I enjoy wake up early in the morning and not see it as a thing that I have to do, but as a thing that could make my lifestyle better. Reading books, walking, जैसे on my way back office, I enjoy walking so much. I don't see it something as oh my god I have to walk. It's like an enjoyable thing for me to walk. ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो बेसिकली मुझे लगता है रोमांटिसाइज चीज़ों को इनमें करना चाहिए जिसमें कहीं पैसा इन्वॉल्व ना हो, क्योंकि जब पैसा होगा तो फिर तो वो रोमांटिसाइज हो ही जाएंगी. रोमांटिसाइजिंग योर लाइफ इज़ के एन्जॉइंग द लिटिल थिंग्स, जैसे आप कुछ बना रहे हो, like you're making something, so you're just like enjoying the process of it. Obviously you cannot do that every single day. The other day I woke up and it was raining, so I can hear the rain from while being in bed. This is what I call romanticizing, कि I am listening to that and it's so soothing and so nice. तो मुझे लगता है ऐसी just these little things and that are like available for every single person, that every single thing person can enjoy and can feel better about. तो मुझे लगता है कि by romanticizing your life it gets very 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 better. And वही बात है कि not seeing your parents not as someone के oh my god they are an obstacle in my independence, लेकिन as someone के they are there and मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है कि they are with me. And there's a lot of things that they would do for me. There's a lot of things that I still am dependent on them, and I enjoy that and I love that. And then there's just so much more. 2-3 weeks back I went to Old Lahore because I wanted to see and see the thesis display, and I was mentioning it earlier too. Then we went to Mall Road and we walked on Mall Road, and Mall Road पे मुझे walk करके it's just so fun. It's literally like you're in a movie. It does not seem real. There's like a whole bookstall over there, like multiple bookstores over here जो कि हर Sunday लगते हैं, and there are people who are purchasing books, who are reading books, ठीक है. Then at one bus stop there's like a group of guys who are just performing something over there. Maybe they're theater kids, I don't know, but they're like performing something, and people, लोगों का वहाँ पे क्राउड खड़ा हो गया जो खड़े होके देख रहा है. एंड यू कैन नॉट इमेजिन दैट हैपनिंग, बट दैट इज़ हैपनिंग. मुझे लगता है कि इट्स जस्ट सो इनक्रेडिबल. जस्ट, और मैं तो ये कहती हूँ वेन एवर यू जस्ट फील बैड अबाउट इट, जस्ट गो टू ओल्ड लाहौर. अमेजिंग आर्किटेक्चर. इट्स जस्ट सो नाइस टू वॉक देयर, क्योंकि देयर आर सो मेनी यूनिवर्सिटीज ओवर देयर, तो इट्स वेरी नॉर्मलाइज्ड. उनको आदत है कि बच्चे आएंगे जाएंगे. देयर आर सो मेनी प्लेसेस टू ईट. देयर इज लिटरली एवरीथिंग ओवर देयर. And it was just such a nice experience, and I realized, oh my god, I really love like my country, my city where I am at. Then I was seeing there's so many just events happening right now as I speak. Lahore mein weekend पे, and it's free of cost हो रहा है. Literary festival. Why I'm saying literacy? It's Lahore literary. मेरे मुंह से literacy निकल रहा है. Lahore Literary Festival is happening in Alhambra, and it's free of cost. वहाँ पे there's just so many amazing people जिनके panel हो रहे हैं. So many authors. There's like so many just things happening over there which I wish I could go. Like, unfortunately I cannot. Then I was seeing there was literally that is kind of on like an expensive side. लेकिन it's the same as going to a fancy restaurant. और मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ी सी चीज़ें ओवर चार्ज हो रही हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दोस एक्टिविटीज़ लाइक टोट बैग की पेंटिंग, या फिर व्हाट्स दैट थिंग कॉल्ड where you get a bunch of what's that thing called, oh my god, where you make pots and vases, वो सब कुछ. So that's like a bit on like ridiculously expensive side, where you know कि you want to do an activity but they're kind of overcharging you with these simple things. But then I was seeing that there was this whole murder mystery thing happening, कि you are gonna register yourself to this thing, और उसकी timing है, so they have this whole set, or you can like be a part of a murder mystery. Like you can do that, they'll give you hints and clues, and you can like something like treasure hunt, लेकिन just more on theme, like Sherlock type. लेकिन Sherlock में सिर्फ murder mystery नहीं थी, that bad example. लेकिन there's like a whole murder mystery thing happening, so I was like, that is so cool. Like I can like go there and not go to a fancy restaurant with my friends, and we can just do this activity. There's a lot of things that are happening, a lot of things that are free, and it's so fun, so enjoyable. Then I think there's so much to life when you think about it, by being where you are. Then there's fiction, an amazing beautiful thing. There's fiction, there's books, there's movies, good movies. You can watch that and it takes you to the places that you have never been. It gives you the wisdom that obviously being traveling to a lot of countries, being to a lot of places is amazing, but you can also like read someone's life experience, even biography, even someone's fictional story, किसी का सफरनामा, and you will like learn so much. So there's just a lot of places you can go by watching fiction like movies and watching thriller and survival shows ऐसे करके जिनके मतलब कि इस तरह out of the world genres होते हैं fantasy. You are like witnessing and a world that is imaginary, which is also a beautiful thing. Like, don't get obsessed with it, like it's also like a good place to be in it. Then there is so much knowledge in this world, and we have, by internet we have access to so many, all the books baby, all the research paper that have been, so many good things we have access to. और आपको कोई भी चीज़ चाहिए आपको मिल सकती है. मुझे जैसे आजकल मैंने ना अपनी यूट्यूब फीड थोड़ी like YouTube recommendations थोड़ी change किया. Now I get like video essays जिसमें just one person is explaining something. I have started listening to like a lot of videos where they are like telling about this scientist or this writer और इसने ये किया, ये लिखा, what was their life like, and I enjoy doing that. I just listen to a lot of like psychology videos के this happens because of that, because I feel like I'm really interested in that. So like there's just so much knowledge you can gain, and जब आपके पास कोई एग्जाम नहीं ना होता देने के लिए, तो trust me, having this like extra knowledge is actually enjoyable. And there comes a point in life, मुझे भी पहले ऐसा नहीं था, मुझे चीज़ें मैं कहती थी क्या ज़रूरत है इंसान को, लेकिन now I literally seek knowledge. I want to know about more subjects as well. I want to know about science, I want to know about quantum physics, I want to know about philosophy, psychology. I want to know about all these things to have this much knowledge, not even to use it to like earn from it, just so that like it could enrich in my soul and I could have like more wisdom and things like, and there's just more things to talk about, like it's just a good place to be in. So there's just so much that you can experience, that you can make your life. There's so many opportunities. There's like fully, even with abroad, I know कि there's just a lot of programs, delegation होती हैं, उसके लिए obviously you have to like be a delegate, जो कि मैं नहीं हूँ और most of the people नहीं हैं, लेकिन ऐसी opportunities हैं. Then for students, they're always like, in every country there's like fully funded internships happening. You can apply to that. मैंने भी अपनी स्टूडेंट लाइफ में अप्लाई किया था, नहीं मिला, कुछ नहीं होता, लेकिन करना तो है. इवन इन अदर यूनिवर्सिटी, मुझे लगता है इवन इफ़ यूर इन पाकिस्तान और आप नहीं कर सकते, अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में इतनी चीज़ें होती हैं, लम्स में मुझे पता है इतनी चीज़ें होती हैं, समर कोर्सेज और सेमिनार्स होते हैं दैट यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन. It could be just an additional good thing in your CV. Participate in inter-university things. I think it's so interesting. GCU I think is an amazing university, और वहाँ पे ड्रामेटिक इवेंट्स होते हैं, और वहाँ पे जो है मुझे लगता है आउटसाइडर्स के लिए भी बहुत चीज़ें होती हैं दैट यू कुड लाइक गो एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ, और फिर मतलब कि आपके लिए थोड़ा सा हो जाता है कि यू एक्सपीरियंस समथिंग एल्स. और लाइक मुझे लगता है कि उम्मीद नहीं हारनी चाहिए. ये नहीं कहना चाहिए कि अच्छा दिस इज़ नॉट गोना हैपन फॉर मी इन द फ्यूचर. इट कैंट, यू कैन, बट यू कैन नॉट लेट योर सेल्फ बी मिजरेबल अबाउट इट, राइट. और जिन्होंने मिजरेबल रहना है ना, उन्होंने वहाँ जाके भी रहना है. जिनको नहीं, और जिन्होंने खुश रहना है वो हर हाल में खुश रहेंगे, या एक्चुअली कोशिश करेंगे कि वो खुश रह सकें, ऐसी चीज़ें कर सकें जिनसे वो खुश रह सकें. और मैंने सोचा हुआ है कि मैंने मिजरेबल नहीं रहना. आई विल डू द थिंग्स दैट मेक मी हैप्पी. आई विल सीक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, आई विल मेक अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर माई सेल्फ. आई कैन डू what the best I can do with the things that are provided to me. And क्योंकि ज़िंदगी एक ही है और ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जानी है, और इट्स नॉट इवन लाइक कि कोई स्पेसिफिक एज हो उसमें ही सब कुछ करना है. यू हैव योर होल लाइफ जस्ट लाइक, एंड देयर इज़ जस्ट सो मच you can be and you can do. There's so much you can learn. There's so many places you can go by not even being physically going on those places. So just like networking है, लोगों से network करें जिन्होंने वो चीज़ें experience की हुई, उनकी बातें सुने, that do not have a superiority complex and that actually are nice people. Videos, अच्छी videos देखें. Obviously there's just a lot of brain rot content. मसला ये, there's a lot of brain rot content on our phones के बहुत मुश्किल होता है उस साइड पे जाना जहाँ पे एक्चुअली इट्स लाइक educational, not education, but there's just knowledgeable things that could also be entertaining in so many ways. तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसे ऐसे जब आप चीज़ें सीख करने लग जाओगे ना तो खुद भी चल के आपके पास चीज़ें आएंगी और इट विल जस्ट मेक यू हैप्पियर. मुझे लगता है कि देयर इज़ जस्ट वट एवर प्लेस यू आर लिविंग इन, यू कैन हैव अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. यू जस्ट हैव टू like look up, be more aware, and listen to the stories of people who have that, or you don't know what would happen, but if it doesn't happen, then you have to like you should like recall all these things you have in the place you are in, or the things you can create, the influence you can have, the impact you can have, the things you can do for other people, the things you can do for yourself, your parents, your siblings. तो मुझे लगता है कि just like for to be in a positive mindset. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मैं बहुत बार बोली, मुझे लगता है कि there's still so much to life and there's still so much that you have achieved that you dreamed of when you were little. And do not like fix yourself in like a certain box कि अगर मेरे पास यही होगा तो ही मैं खुश रह सकती हूँ. आपके पास बहुत कुछ है, निकल के देखो. जैसे even like it's so like even with connecting to more people, networking, उससे आपको बहुत सी चीज़ें और का पता लगता है, बहुत सी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपके पास आती हैं. आपको नहीं पता कि कब क्या हो जाए and it could change your life. and अगर वो नहीं भी होता then you have the ability to change your life. और जहाँ पे आप हो just be इन अ बेटर माइंड सेट विद दैट. माइंड सेट पर बहुत डिपेंड करता है. वही बात है कि जिन्होंने मिजरेबल रहना है उनको वो चीज़ें मिजरेबल करती हैं. हम यहाँ बैठ के मैं सोचूँ ओ माई गॉड बीइंग इन स्नो इज़ सो नाइस, समवन डज नॉट लाइक द स्नो एंड इट जस्ट मेक्स देम रियली सैड. सम आई एन्जॉय रेन सो मच, फॉर समवन इट इज़ नॉट समथिंग दैट कुड ब्रिंग जॉय. फॉर मी चेंजिंग ऑफ वेदर रियली मेक्स मी हैप्पी. किसी ने उस चीज़ को उस परस्पेक्टिव से देखा ही नहीं होगा. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये जो चीज़ें हैं ना जो आपके पास अवेलेबल हैं उनकी जब इंपॉर्टेंस आना शुरू हो जाएगी ना, जब बंदा उन चीज़ों को इन्जॉय करना शुरू होगा. इट्स द सिंपल थिंग्स लाइक आई सेड कि इट्स वीकेंड, I'm gonna have an amazing breakfast with my parents and we're gonna talk and life would be relaxing. I can sleep as much as I can for these 2 days, but then I have to like work hard for the coming week. Ramzan is coming. It's gonna be an amazing thing. I can like फिर ईद है. तो there's just like so much good things in life and we have to seek that, and then with that we have to see कि okay how can make our life better. क्या मुझे ऐसा mindset है या कैसी चीज़ है जो मैं ऐड कर सकती हूँ easily अपनी ज़िंदगी में जिससे मैं और खुश हो जाऊँगी. and with that your life would be better no matter where you are and where you're living. Obviously traveling is an amazing thing and I wish for all of us to experience that, but अगर वो नहीं हो सका तो जहाँ पे आप हो वो भी बहुत अच्छी और खूबसूरत जगह है और आप वहाँ पे जो कर सकते हो वो अपनी फुल कैपेसिटी में करो. and then as a Muslim obviously I want to be a good Muslim and want to do good deeds क्योंकि ये दुनिया तो वैसे ही टेम्परेरी है और हमें पता है कि परमानेंट ज़िंदगी क्या है. और जो आपको यहाँ पे जो सब कुछ नहीं मिल सका आपको एक्चुअली यू विल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गोइंग टू जन्नत ताकि आपको वो सब चीज़ें मिल सकें. अगर आपको दुनिया में सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएंगी तो फिर आपको जन्नत में जाने की क्यों वो होगी चाहत होगी कि मैंने जन्नत में जाना है. आपको कुछ ना कुछ ज़िंदगी में मिसिंग होना चाहिए ताकि आपको इस चीज़ का पता हो कि दिस लाइफ इज़ नॉट permanent. This life's gonna end and I want to be a better Muslim so that Allah could be happy from me and I can go to Jannat and he could मतलब के and I could like experience that. मुझे यहाँ पे ऑक्सफोर्ड डिग्री या मैं हार्वर्ड जाके नहीं ठीक है पढ़ सकती या फिर किसी भी अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी से, लेकिन मतलब कि इंटरनेशनली रिकग्नाइज यूनिवर्सिटी से, लेकिन आई डोंट नो कि आई हैव मतलब कि जो मेरी परमानेंट लाइफ है उसमें क्या क्या मेरे लिए है. एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू बी अ गुड पर्सन एंड अ गुड मुस्लिम ताकि मुझे वो सब चीज़ें हो सकें. एंड नथिंग इज़ इम्पॉसिबल इन दैट लाइफ. तो एंड दैट कुड मेक यू लाइक आप इस वजह से आप इतना भी दुनिया में ऑब्वियसली विद रमज़ान कमिंग तो ये भी है कि नहीं खोना चाहिए क्योंकि दिस लाइफ इज़ गना एंड एंड इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर टेम्परेरी. यस मेक द बेस्ट आउट ऑफ इट बट डोंट गेट टू मच सिंक इन टू लाइफ. सो इस वजह से कुछ चीज़ें दैट इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक अ थिंग के और आई वॉज वॉचिंग दिस क्लिप ऑफ फ्रॉम द शो अलिफ जिसमें ही सेज के मोमिन का दिल अगर इस दुनिया में नहीं लग रहा तो ये भी एक अल्लाह की तरफ से है क्योंकि आपको फिर पता है कि मेरी देयर इज़ अ लाइफ आफ्टर दिस लाइफ दैट इज़ गोना बी that is gonna be forever and this world is temporary. और यहाँ पे बहुत से जालिम लोग भी हैं और बहुत से जुल्म भी हो रहे हैं लोगों पे, एंड उस सबका आपको उन सब लोगों को अजर मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह. तो जस्ट मुझे लगता है कि पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई नो इट्स वेरी हार्ड, लेकिन यू कैन डू इट. फॉर मी मुझे लगता है कि मैंने अपनी स्टोरी पे भी बोला था कि मैं कोई भी ऐसी पॉडकास्ट ऐसे ही नहीं लगा सकती कि बस मैं पॉडकास्ट लगा दूँ, उसमें मैं रैंट करूँ, कंप्लेन करूँ और बंद कर दूँ. आई नीड टू प्रोवाइड अ सोल्यूशन, क्योंकि समवन हु इज़ लिसनिंग टू इट, आई डू नॉट वांट टू बी अनईजी एंड मेक समवन हु लिसन्स टू इट अनईजी एज वेल. आई वांट टू टेल यू गाइज कि देयर सो मच मोर एंड यू कैन बी सो मच एंड यू कैन डू सो मच एंड यू कैन लाइक मेक यू हैव द थिंग इन यू कि आप दूसरों की ज़िंदगियाँ भी बेहतर बना सकें. तो डू दैट, romanticize your life, or add things in your life that could make your lifestyle better. And I hope this podcast did its job. I saw this like quote on Pinterest, or I really liked it because my last episode ended on a quote. I'll end this podcast on a quote as well. So the quote says, "I am what I am and I have to accept myself. I was born like this in this city with this dialect without money. I will give what I can give, what I can give. I will take what I can take. I will endure what has to be endured." Yeah. So I hope you guys have an amazing week ahead, and I'll come back with a Ramzan episode. Ramzan is coming, so we have to like prepare and make goals. Or I'll tell you guys कि मेरे कौन से goals जो मैंने last Ramzan रखे थे, that I continue doing those things, and what are my new goals for this Ramzan. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप रमज़ान में हो तो there should be goals and there should be something that you like adapt in Ramzan and then you take that for the rest of your life. So see you guys in the next episode.